Have you ever wondered just how vast the universe truly is? It's a question that has sparked the curiosity of humans for centuries, and as our understanding of the cosmos has expanded, so has our realization of its sheer enormity. Imagine for a moment the concept of the universe. It's not just about the stars we see twinkling in the night sky or the planets within our solar system. The universe is everything that exists, from the tiniest particles of matter to the largest galaxies, from the smallest moments of time to the infinite expanse of eternity. When we speak of the universe, we often refer to the observable universe. Now, what does that mean? It's the part of the universe that we can see from Earth or anywhere else in the universe, because light or other signals from these parts have had time to reach us. This observable universe, mind you, is estimated to be a whopping 93 billion light-years in diameter. Just to give you a sense of scale, a light-year is the distance that light, which moves at a speed of approximately 186,000 miles per second, travels in a year. That's nearly 6 trillion miles. Multiply that by 93 billion, and you might begin to grasp the enormity we're talking about. But the universe doesn't stop there. It's believed to extend far beyond what we can currently observe. In this observable universe alone, there are estimated to be around 100 billion galaxies, each brimming with billions, perhaps even trillions of stars. And remember, each of these stars could potentially be a sun to other planets, possibly even harboring life as we know it. The numbers are staggering, the scale unimaginable. As we delve deeper, we realize that the universe's enormity is almost incomprehensible. But isn't it fascinating to try? To ponder upon the infinite nature of our cosmos, to realize that we're a tiny yet integral part of this grand cosmic dance. It's a thought that's as humbling as it is awe-inspiring. To truly grasp the enormity of our universe, let's put it into perspective. Imagine, if you will, that our planet Earth is a tiny speck of dust. Now consider this, our entire solar system, with all its planets, moons and asteroids, is but a minuscule dot in the grandeur of the Milky Way galaxy. To help you comprehend this better, consider this comparison. If the Milky Way galaxy were the size of the entire United States, our solar system would be the size of a quarter. It's quite a humbling thought, isn't it? This vast expanse we call home is but a tiny fragment in the scale of the universe. Now let's talk about our galaxy, the Milky Way. It's a swirling mass of stars, dust and dark matter, measuring about 100,000 light-years across. Just to clarify, a light-year is the distance that light, which moves at a mind-numbing speed of about 186,000 miles per second, travels in a year. So, when we say our galaxy is 100,000 light-years wide, we're talking about an incredibly vast distance. It's estimated that the Milky Way contains between 200 billion to 400 billion stars. And remember, our sun is just one of them. In the grand scheme of things, we are but a tiny, almost insignificant part of an incredibly large universe. It's also worth noting that the Milky Way is not the only galaxy in the universe. Far from it, in fact. There are estimated to be around 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each of these galaxies is a world of its own, with its own collection of stars, planets, and potentially life forms. Even within our own galaxy, the distances are mind-boggling. It's a vast, awe-inspiring universe out there, and we are just beginning to understand its magnitude and the incredible cosmic scale it operates on. Now, let's explore the concept of the observable universe. This is, quite simply, the part of the universe that we can see from our vantage point here on Earth. But why can't we see all of it, you might wonder? Well, it's all about the speed of light and time. You see, the light from distant celestial bodies takes time to reach us. The farther away a star or a galaxy is, the longer its light takes to get here. This means we're not seeing these objects as they are right now, but as they were when their light started its journey. This is what we call the cosmic light horizon. The cosmic light horizon is essentially the edge of our observable universe. It's the farthest point in the universe from which light has had a chance to reach us since the universe's birth, about 13.8 billion years ago. So, when we gaze into the night sky, we're actually looking back in time, observing the universe as it was billions of years ago. But don't let this limit fool you. the observable universe is just a small part of the whole. Just because we can't see it doesn't mean it isn't there. Beyond this cosmic horizon, the universe continues, possibly infinitely. So, what does the size of the universe mean for us? Well, it's a question that opens up a panorama of possibilities. It's like standing on the edge of an ocean of stars, each one a world of its own, waiting to be discovered. The sheer scale of the universe suggests that the existence of extraterrestrial life, somewhere out there, is not just a possibility, but a probability. Think about it. Billions upon billions of galaxies, each brimming with countless stars and planets. The odds of us being alone in this cosmic expanse are astronomically low, but it doesn't stop there. Some theories suggest that our universe might be just one among a multitude, a single bubble in a frothy sea of multiverses, each with its own laws of physics, its own history, its own story to tell. It's a mind-bending concept, isn't it? And let's not forget the scientific advancements that are broadening our horizons even as we speak. From powerful telescopes that peer into the distant corners of the universe, to ambitious space missions that aim to set foot on other worlds, we are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In the face of such vastness, we are reminded of our tiny place in the cosmos, and yet we are part of this grand universe, and that is truly something to marvel at.